the ACE flow came from to his mind. That's what I think, because he has worked with the disabled kids, and he probably thought, how can I help them to make it better for them? So that's how the company ACE Flow. And soon after, he also had a child bear. This boy has gone internationally, everywhere, isn't it? He gone everywhere. And so what can we say to this boy who is only turned 18, and he has gone, you saw these lights, where he been? So I don't have too much to say, but I need to still highlight a couple of things, if you bear with me. I want to say that he won the Engineers Award from the Governor General of Ontario for the youth innovation. That was commanding, that was in 2024. And TEDx, very recently, he did it for the Appeal Board of Education, and he got a certification for them. I think it's a tremendous effort and leadership in your part. He done MIT courses with the professors. He created 2 courses to teach them. That is amazing. You have done so many. And of that, the top 10, he was selected for the top 10 1000 Global Student Award. That's the prize. And he was the top 10 selected list. And you know how many people applied for that? 11,000 applies for that, 148 countries. So out of that, he was selected from the Canada, only one. So I really commendable on that. So, Noel, thank you. It's really, he has done so many in so little time, I cannot even say. And we are so proud of you. We know that your parents are behind you. And I'd like to give Gokul to say a few things about you.
Amazing performance of this. It also reflects confidence level. He got enormous confidence level, which we cannot believe. That is the confidence gift. Confidence gives your ability to do many things which normally it is difficult to do. So, source of confidence coming from the knowledge, also from the type of work you do practically. So, he got enormous confidence to perform, and which is very appreciable. Then also, he very extremely hardworking. He goes to swim at 4 in the morning, and to make his schedule of work enough so that he can focus on his extra AI work, extra great performance and all these things to maintain. So these are the very important things. So we wish good luck for him for continuous success, and that is enough for me for that today.
So last but not least, I just want to say, you all know, if you don't know, Christine is going to Berkeley, and he is into a MET program, MET, which is Management, Entrepreneurship, and Technology. So this is a rare program that not everybody gets to go in. Only 50 people is chosen. So I know you are going to fly there. Keep your foot grounded. You have to do your study like your mommy and daddy says. Okay, you have to finish your study. And always remember to call home at the end of the day. And that you are staying nice and well. And that's all everybody worries about. We are all here for you to wish you all the best. We love you, we bless you, and you keep prospering.